Good morning, my dear students. How are you? Okay. Before going to explain the lesson, I will ask few questions. Okay, na? Tell me the answers. Do you love playing cricket? Yes? Okay. Where you are going while playing cricket? Very good. We are going to ground for playing cricket. What we will do? We will stick into the sticks on ground. Afterwards, we will play with bat and ball. Okay, na? So, where we are playing cricket or football, on ground we are playing. Without ground, it is not possible to play the cricket. Okay, na? So, where we are living, on which planet we are living? Earth. Okay? So, now our topic is Earth and its surface. Earth and its surface. You have a doubt what is surface, sir? I will explain you, don't worry. So while explaining the lesson, which topics we are going to cover in this lesson, in this chapter, I will tell you. First, introduction. What is it? Introduction. The atmosphere. The earth surface. Movements of the earth. Rotation. Revolution. Finally, conclusion. These topics we are going to cover in this chapter. Okay, na? Introduction, atmosphere, the earth surface, movements, rotation, revolution, conclusion. These topics we are cover into this chapter. First, introduction. Do you ever seen the globe? Okay. What is the shape of the globe? Tell me, anybody. Round shape. Which shape?
Round shape.
Round shape. It is fully round shape. Huh? Tell me, anybody. No, it is not fully round in shape. Suppose if you see the orange fruit. Do you ever eat orange fruit? Yes, this is orange fruit. Okay. So you compare this orange fruit with globe or earth. Earth shape is same like this. Same like this orange fruit. For example, suppose if you take this orange fruit, here we are observing in the middle of this fruit we are observing bulge shape. Okay, na? Bulge in shape. Top part little bit flatten. Bottom part also flatten part we are observing. Top part flatten part, that is north pole. Bottom part that is also flatten, that is south pole. Okay, this is which shape? Round shape. Generally we called as sphere. Here in the middle part it is bulge in shape, isn't it or not?
Yes.
Top north part, north pole side, flatten shape we are observing. Bottom part we are observing flattened shape. Same in your house, you observe this fruit. Which fruit? Orange fruit. And see how the shape of the orange fruit and compare this fruit with earth. Okay, na? Suppose generally we are observing the globes on offices. Okay, then this globe shape is like this. See this one, top and bottom little bit flattened, middle bulgy shape we are observing, isn't it or not?
Yes.
In the middle we are observing one iron rod. Okay, generally we called as earth axis, that one. That is imaginary line passes through middle of the earth. That is called as axis. That is called axis. If you spin this globe, automatically it will spin. Isn't it or not?
Yes.
Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
This is all introduction part of globe. Globe is in which shape?
Round shape.
Round shape. It is spinning from west to east. Okay.
Yes.
So, this is all about introduction part. Now, I will explain you the atmosphere.
The atmosphere.
Just now, I explained you where we are living. We are living on earth. Isn't it or not?
Yes.
Why we are living? How we are living? We are breathing what? We are breathing air. Without air, human beings or animals could not survive on earth. Where this oxygen is available? On earth only. Among the 8 planets, how many planets we have? Already so many times I told you. Among the 8 planets, life is surviving on earth. Which is surviving? Life is surviving on earth. Why? Especially life is surviving on earth. Here, gases are surrounded. Okay, gases means what, sir? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. These are the gas layers spreaded, surrounded by the earth. Okay, for example, for us, which part is very important? Oxygen. Okay, oxygen is very important. We are breathing oxygen. Through the oxygen, we are living. Okay, now do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so the atmosphere surrounded by layer of air. Layer of air. The atmosphere surrounded by layer of air, that is called atmosphere. Earth surrounded by
Atmosphere.
okay now. Earth surrounded by layer of air, that is called atmosphere. Do you understand the definition?
Yes.
Okay na. One layer of air surrounded by earth, that is called atmosphere. On atmosphere, who are living? Human beings are living, animals are living, bacteria also living. Isn't it or not? Okay na? Apart from us, bacteria also surviving. Okay, animals, human beings, everybody surviving, breathing oxygen. Do you understand?
Yes.
This is about atmosphere. Okay, next one, the earth surface.
The earth
Surface. Here I will tell you clearly about regarding surface. The earth is made up of land and water.
water.
The earth is made up of
Land and water.
land and
And water.
water. Do you understand?
Yes.
Who are living on earth? Just now I told you.
We
We means who? Human beings.
humans, animals,
Human beings in the sense men, okay, women, male or female, all together we can say human beings. Then animals,
Next,
bacteria, human beings and animals living on earth. Okay, on earth, 2/3 part covered with water.
2/3 part
Covered with
water.
water. That means 71%.
Water and
Okay, our earth covered with water. 1/3 part
land.
covered with land.
Land.
That means
1/3
29%. If you calculate for these 100%, 2/3 part water composition we are observing on earth. 1/3 part land composition we are observing on earth. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
So already I shown you. See
Yes.
this map. This is which map? India map or world map?
World map.
Very good. This is world map. Okay. This world map contains continents as well as oceans. This blue shade explaining about oceans.
Oceans.
Water part.
Yes.
How much of water part we observing here? 71%. That means 2/3.
2/3.
2/3. Most of the area covered with water.
Yes.
Okay, na?
Yes.
Then 1/3 part covered with land.
Land.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
So this is all about earth surface. Where we are living on earth surface. Where we are walking on ground. Without surface, is it possible to walk? No. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Then up to now we discussed about introduction part. Afterwards, what I explained you?
The animation.
The atmosphere.
Atmosphere.
What is the definition of atmosphere? Earth surrounded by layer of air. That is called
Atmosphere.
atmosphere. What we are getting on atmosphere? Air. What we are breathing? Air. We are breathing. Without air, human beings or animals won't survive. Isn't it or not?
Yes.
Then earth is made up of land and water. Okay, na?
Yes.
Where we are living on ground, on earth. 2/3 area covered with water. 1/3 area covered with
Land.
land. Okay.